Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. It's a joy to connect with you across time and space. So happy that you would join me today. If you're feeling overwhelmed, annoyed, irritable, restless, lazy, depressed, feeling loneliness, anger, resentment, if you're feeling lots of worries about the future, or perhaps even joyfulness, know that it's a-okay. We're going to take some deep breaths and see if we can make some of the pain go away. That being said, getting comfortable, getting in a nice seated posture where you can be upright, aware of how you're sat. Gently close your eyes, tuning deeper into your inner world, becoming aware of how you feel in this moment. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face, the jaw, the lips, the forehead, the top of the head, the back of the head. Relaxing your hands and feet. Opening your heart to receive. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go. Breathing in trust. Exhale, letting go of fears. Breathing in compassion. Exhale, letting go of inner criticism. Doing good, my friends. Stay with me. Aware of your posture. You're safe to close the eyes. And I want you to breathe in with your full body. Every cell in your body, inhaling. And every cell in your body, exhale. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhaling, letting go of the past. Breathing in peacefulness. And exhale, letting go of negativity, anger. Bring in a smile. I want you to visualize that your heart is smiling, that your belly is smiling, that your body is literally smiling. Breathing in slower and softer. Exhaling, dropping your shoulders away from the ears, relaxing your hands. I want you to visualize that the palms of your hands are opening like a flower in the sun, helping your heart to open. Relaxing the face, aware of your posture, letting go of any planning, letting go of any analyzing, simply being with yourself, witnessing and welcoming yourself. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale, let go. Becoming aware of the silence, returning home to yourself with the sound of the bell. Taking a deep breath in. Holding the breath, tense your body, squeeze down on your fist, squeeze down on your jaw, tense, everything tense. And exhale, release. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale. Way to stay with it, my friend. So happy to have you here. Way to take care of yourself, your mind, your beautiful mind, which works so hard. Your heart, which is always beating, always working, even in our sleep. Being thankful for your mind, your emotions, even though it can be chaotic at times. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of your space. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Breathing in beauty. And exhale, feeling yourself beautiful inside and out. Breathing in grounded, masculine energy. And exhale, feeling yourself more grounded, more centered. Breathing in intuitive, feminine energy. And exhale, feeling yourself. Feeling presence, intuitive, trusting, receptive. The color for today is red. The number is 15. And the animal is a fox. Becoming aware. Taking one more deep breath for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale out. I thank you for joining me today across time and space. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you an abundance of love, abundance of resources. Coming back to the source for more resources. If you're struggling with resources, come back to yourself. Come back to trust, come back to love, come back to awareness, and return to these practices that help you feel more in tune. That way we can manifest more resources rather than being in our fear and our scarcity mindset. Sometimes I have to remind myself how abundant this world, this universe is so limitless. So we have to be very careful when we feel all this lack and limitations, because most likely it's something self-imposed. So we have to stay courageous to take off these self-imposed limitations and step into the abundance of what life can be. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.